everyone, it's Unique. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite products for the month of August, and they're not all skincare, which I think you guys are really going to enjoy and you're going to find really useful. So if you want to see my favorite products for the month of August 2020, keep on watching. A couple of weeks ago, I did a video that I shared with you guys on tips for maskne, and in that video, one of the things that I recommended was a cotton mask with adjustable air tabs in order to provide you with the most comfortable fit to avoid irritation and possible inflammation on your face, and also to give you a good level of protection. So I was sent this silk mask by Slip by skinstore.com, who are the sponsors for this portion of today's video. And honestly, this is the best mask I have had. Now, I've tried quite a few variations of the cotton mask, which have been fine. They've worked fine. I've also used the disposable mask, but this is an experience, honey. It is an experience. And as far as irritation, there is none. There is none. It has the adjustable air tabs that I was telling you guys. And even though both sides are 100% silk, which is going to be a luxury for your face, there are so many great benefits that silk has for your skin that I don't know why I didn't think to look for a silk mask sooner. But the best thing about this mask is that it has a cotton inner, so it's still going to give you the amount of protection that we need while we're out and about in public or in spaces with other people while we're practicing social distancing. And it also has this adjustable nose tab on the inside, and when you order this mask, it comes with replaceable air tabs and that nose tab so that you can replace that later on if those things do wear out. I really love this color and pattern. If you've seen my Instagram, then you know that I love like blush pink. That's right up my alley. But they also have black cheetah print and blush without the lipstick embroidery, which I'm planning to pick up at least the black one so that I can wear it with everything. Not that it matters. It matters to me. It matters to me. So if you're in the market for a mask and you're looking for one that's going to protect you while also being very gentle on the skin, limiting the amount of inflammation or irritation that you're going to get, I would suggest that you pick up this lip mask from skinstore.com, and if you use my promo code UNIQUE, you also will get 25% off. My second favorite product has to be these reusable microfiber makeup removers. Not only do they feel better on my skin, they're actually better for the environment because they're reusable. Now, it comes with a set of 14 and this little mesh bag where you can see I'm completely filled up, so it's time to wash them. Every day that I use one, I toss it in this mesh bag, and once it's filled, I throw it in the laundry, get it washed, dried, and ready for another week. Now, those have come in handy for me because, like I share with you guys over in my skincare videos, I tone twice in my nighttime skincare routine, and so having those reusable pads have saved me from having to continue to purchase the cotton pads, and they feel so much better on my skin. They don't tug like the cotton pads do. I mean, obviously, if you are tugging, of course they're going to tug on your skin, but as long as you're being gentle, they feel really nice on the skin. Now, keeping in the same category of skincare, reducing waste but also boosting our level of experience, I have been using these reusable microfiber towels. Now, this is another product that has significantly changed the way that I do my skincare. Again, if you've seen those prior videos, you know that when I remove my makeup, I typically use a washcloth, or when I'm drying my face, I will use paper towels. However, not only is this better for the environment than paper towels, it also feels so much better on your skin. It does not tug on your skin at all. Like, washcloths can be hard on your skin. They can be rough on your skin. This microfiber weave is so soft and luxurious that there's no tugging because of the cloth. Again, if you are tugging, sis, on your skin, it don't matter how soft it is. You be gentle so it can be gentle, okay? And it's so big that you only need one. You're only going to need one. There's no grabbing 2 or 3 paper towels, especially depending on what kind of paper towels you buying, because if you buying little cheap ones, you're probably going through a lot of paper towels every day trying to dry off your face. No shade. Next up, and these might surprise you because they are not skincare related, these are actually teeth whitening strips. Now, I have recorded a whole video on these teeth whitening strips, but let me tell you, I have loved my experience with using them. But I did purchase these from Amazon as well. Go and check out that video. I will link it above so that you can see my journey of whitening my teeth in a couple of days. Okay, so I can still enjoy coffee and wine and everything else that stains our teeth. My next favorite product is also not skincare related, but I have been doing a much better job of actually working out consistently, because social distance season came upon us and your girl used to work out like 4 to 5 times a week. And then social distancing happened and I didn't go down to like 1 time. I completely fell off. But my birthday is approaching. It is coming. So I've been back on the bandwagon, and you know, working out is not only physically good for me, but it helps me really stay on track and on schedule, because if I start my day with working out, it's more likely that that day is more productive for me. But the problem that I have is, I have fungal acne. If you don't know what that is, go and check out the fungal acne playlist and you'll find out. You'll find out. Which means I really have to up my game when it comes to my morning skincare routine after exercising. In fact, if you guys want to see what I'm doing after I exercise to help me prevent or limit fungal acne on my forehead, because if you did watch that video, you know that exercising is what initially triggered fungal acne for me. But if you want a video on what I'm doing right now, go ahead and leave a comment down below so I know to let you guys in on my after gym care routine. But the biggest thing for me with exercising is because there was a point in my life where I was a dancer. And have y'all ever seen The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air? They have that scene where Aunt Viv is at the dance class and she's showing out for the girls and letting them know that she still got it, okay? Okay, so that was me. And I did show the girls that I still got it. I did. But my knees were swollen the very next day and I ended up with knee injuries, and I never finished physical therapy for that injury, and so let's just say that my knees give me issues every now and then when I exercise, right? So I have been using these knee compression sleeves that I got off of Amazon. Surprise, surprise. And what it does is it basically holds my knee in the proper position, and it gives them enough compression not to hurt, but just to like keep them in the proper position. So when I'm doing squats or on the treadmill or elliptical or anything like that, I really don't have to deal with a lot of soreness. So I wouldn't say that I deal with pain, but I do experience some soreness in my knees if I know that I'm doing too much or if I don't wear these. So ever since I started wearing these when I'm working out, it really has cut down on the level of soreness that I feel in my knees. And yes, I know. I will go and finish my physical therapy one day. My last favorite product for the month of August has to do with hair. By now, you guys can tell that I love a good ponytail. And I don't know why I never came across these earlier, but these nylon hair ties, girl, sis. If you have thick natural hair, these nylon hair ties are game changers. Like, not only does it grip my hair better than those, regular hair ties, it's better for your hair. Like, they hardly ever pull out any strands of my hair. I don't have to wrap this around my hair 50 million times just to get a tight enough ponytail that in the end I end up with a headache. You know what I'm saying? Like we've been there where the ponytail has been so tight because we have wrapped that little ponytail holder around our ponytail 18 million times that you just can't wait to snatch it out of your head. And then when you do snatch it out of your head, you snatch your hairs with it. I know I'm not the only one. These nylon hair ties change the game. Yes, I got these from Amazon. Comes with this little baggie, and there's 60 in here. 60, okay? So I know when you leave your hair ties all over the house, because we all do, or you get down to that last hair tie, you don't know what happened. This is going to solve your issues because you're getting 60 of them, okay? And it comes in a bag for you to hold it in. Just put them back after you're done. That's all you gotta do. And I'm talking to myself because right now where I'm filming, I can see a hair tie over there and a hair tie over there. So I'm talking to myself too. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys were able to find something that you may be interested in. Definitely check out skinstore.com and that slip mask if you are in the market for a mask, or any of these other items that I shared with you guys today. If you found something that you like, or you found the information to be very valuable, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, give me a like to help YouTube know that this video should be seen by more people. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content just like this from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.